Hey there everyone, my name is Kelley Kohout and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. We are doing this little kit unboxing as a premiere tonight because I just happened to be out of town with my family, so enjoy. Now I will be teaching the class, so there's more information about that class coming up next, but we are about to dive into the Christmas in July Wrapped in Blooms card kit. So without further ado, I'm going to go down here to my desk and we'll get started. Okay, let's pop open our kit box. Right on top, I have some white foam tape roll, perfect for adding dimension to your florals and your sentiments, and a cute little glue tube. If I open up this pretty tissue paper here, and I'm going to dig down deep, make sure I get all that paper out without causing a little dent or a wrinkle to it. Let's pull all these goodies out of our box and let's take a look. So first off, I'm going to start with this sequin mix. Now this is really pretty, it has whites, gold, clear, and pink. And you'll notice a little theme here as I go through, especially the papers. We have a beautiful sentiment set called Filled with Wonder. Now, the sentiments in this set read, sending warm wishes this holiday season, wrapped in love this Christmas. May your holidays be merry and bright. Christmas blessings to you and yours. Holiday hugs and Christmas cheer, celebrating the beauty of the season. And then you have from me to you, or from our family to yours, making spirits bright. Peace, hope, and blessings this holiday. Unto us a Savior is born, sending love at Christmas and wishing you a season filled with wonder. Now, these sentiments are beautiful for the holidays. I love the elegant fonts included in these. And then, of course, there is the coordinating die set that's going to cut out every one of those awesome Christmas greetings. Next, let's look at the Lovely Layers Festive Florals die set. Now, this is the layering guide that you're going to receive in your box, and it's going to show you how to put together all of these wonderful florals. But I'm in love with the beautiful poinsettia that's layered, and it presses little veins into the petals. There are holly leaves and just some regular awesome leaves. There's anemones. There's even the centers to the leaves that we can shade and color a different color. There are little twigs and berries, a pine cone, a little pine sprig, and then also another little stem with berries attached to it. Next is the Lovely Layouts Wrapped in Blooms. Now this is going to be our perfect background for our beautiful florals. So here is the layering guide that you're going to receive in your kit. And when you put everything together, it's going to create this beautiful layered background, and we can nestle with the florals. You could use these background dies by themselves. Lots of different options here. So these dies are going to both cut and emboss beautiful detail. So that little doily flap that you can see at the bottom, you can use as a gatefold, and then on the back, there is a little belly band that you can wrap and slide over the top of your card. I think this would also make a beautiful bookmark to go inside your handmade cards, to gift to the readers in your life. But there's also a coordinating stencil that goes along with this. Now you can see here that this is going to color in those beautiful kind of doily looking flaps that's going to create that beautiful gatefold on our cards. So you can choose just to die cut that and use it as is. You can use the stencil by itself to create some interest on your backgrounds, or you can pair the two together and get some really, really cool designs. So this is just going to be the perfect background for our Lovely Layers Festive Florals. Now I'm going to open this first little paper pack that we have here, and I spy some gold shimmer metallic cardstock, which I love, perfect for the holidays. Now here's the Festive Florals layering guide. I showed you a big version of this earlier, but you can see here you're going to have this to slip into your die set. Save this and pull it out to use whenever you need it. But you can see how everything goes together. And here is the Lovely Layouts Wrapped in Blooms layering guide. You can see the little belly band, the little gatefold flaps, the layers, and then how everything goes together. Now, let's take a look next at all of our beautiful cardstock in our kit. Now, we have this beautiful gold metallic. I'm a sucker for metallics, especially during the holidays. So this is going to be perfect for our kit. You can see that glimmer and shimmer, and it just die cuts beautifully. There's also a single sheet of Nina cardstock in with this gold paper, but then there's another sheet of just white Nina cardstock in this Christmas in July Hive Hues paper pack. I love the yummy shades in this. So we have a blushy pink. We're going to flip through these and look at all the shades. An even lighter, just a whisper of a pink. I love that one. And then there is a beautiful coral. If I keep flipping here, there is an off-white or an ivory. There is a minty green. It's beautiful. And then next to that minty green, there's more of a teal color. And you can see the color difference here between these two shades. There is a very pale baby blue, a little bit of a darker blue, and then this looks a little funny on my screen, but that's actually a sheet of white Nina cardstock. You're going to receive 2 white Nina cardstocks in this paperback, and then that last sheet is a really pale gray. Perfect basics. I love that ivory and the gray and the white in this kit. It gets us lots of things to die cut from and to add frames and layers to our cards. So let's stack up all of our pretty things here and let's look at it. So we have our base of paper, our laying guides, our lovely layouts die set. And then we have our stencil that goes with our festive florals. We have our beautiful sentiment set, perfect for the holidays. Love the font on here. We have some white foam tape, some sequins, and of course, we couldn't be without our liquid adhesive, our glue. So that's a look at the whole kit. Now let's take a look at some samples that I've created. So this sample uses the background die, you can see there with all the scallops, and then I used one of the internal dies to cut out the little window that perfectly fits that beautiful sentiment, peace, hope, and blessings this holiday. And then I added the beautiful poinsettia. Now the poinsettia and the leaves were cut from some of the cardstock, the green and the pinks in the kit, and then I just added a tad little bit of ink blending to the center of the flowers and the ends of those little leaves. And I think this turned out simple and beautiful. Now let's take a look at another one using the stencil for a background. So instead of using the die cut that creates that little gatefold, I just used the stencils and set it up on the side of my cardstock. And you can see that's some of that pretty minty green cardstock. And then ink blended a darker shade of green for that background and then white opaque ink. I used one of the florals from the Festive Florals die set, the pine cone and the little pine twigs, and then of course some of the leaves and the beautiful sentiment. I don't want to forget that one as well. Now this next card is the card that we will be creating during our card kit class. Now this uses the whole kit and caboodle, so to speak. So you can see the beautiful florals, the belly band, the gatefold elements, the background pieces on the inside of that card. I'm going to carefully slip off my beautifully adorned little belly band here that I have the poinsettia, the anemone, some stems, and then that great sending love at Christmas sentiment. So cute. And then if we pop open our little gatefold, you can see the places on the inside you could write a message. It would also be the perfect place for a family photo or something like that. But that gatefold uses the dies and the stencils. I'm going to slip this right back over the top. And then we have a beautifully elegant decorated Christmas card. Now, what I especially love about the belly band die set or that lovely layouts die set is it's perfect for all different types of occasions, right? So we've got these beautiful Christmas florals that are in this kit, but you can mix and match some of your other lovely layer sets, and they're going to go perfectly whether you're making Mother's Day cards, birthday cards, really anything. You can mix and match and add all types of florals or stamped images or whatever you'd like to those background dies, and then you've got a whole other card design. Now let's take a look at some important information. To the right of your screen here, that is what your insert will look like when you get it in your box. It has the contents of your kit, it has some examples, even has a sample card that I made there, and it also has a QR code that will be in that little black box. So make sure you check that out. Hold on to that, you'll need it for the class. Now, our class date is August 22nd at 2 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to be teaching that class. I'm super excited about that. This kit altogether is $94.95 with a value of $154.95. Isn't that a beautiful kit? I'm so excited about teaching the class. So our class, like I said, will be on August 22nd at 2 p.m. Eastern. Now, for those of you who buy the kit, there will be a QR code on that insert paper that comes in your pretty little box. We will also be sending you emails with the link to the class, but also the class supply list. So make sure you star honeybee, I don't know what you do, all the things, so you get your emails. We don't want to forget about that. And if you have any questions at all, check out the description box below, and then also you can email customercare@honeybeestamps.com. I hope to see you in class. Bye.